PureVPN versus IPVanish. Best for streaming enthusiasts versus. Best for multi-device households, 2 VPNs, each with its strengths, but which one really shines for your needs? Today, we'll break it down so you know exactly which one fits your lifestyle best. Stick around till the end, because I'll also recommend an alternative that I believe truly stands out for what you're looking for. First, let's talk about PureVPN. When it comes to streaming, PureVPN is a solid choice. It's known for its wide server network, which makes it easy to access content from multiple regions. If you're into streaming, whether it's Netflix, Hulu, or even international platforms, PureVPN has optimized servers for high quality, buffer-free streaming. With streaming speeds being one of its priorities, you're more likely to enjoy smooth, uninterrupted viewing. Next, we have IPVanish, which takes a different approach. IPVanish excels in its ability to support multiple devices at once, which makes it perfect for large households or anyone who has several devices running simultaneously. You can use it on all your devices, laptops, phones, tablets, and more, all at the same time without sacrificing performance. This is especially important if you're managing a family or a multi-device setup. The third thing you should consider is security and privacy. PureVPN does well here, with a no-logs policy that ensures your browsing activities aren't stored. However, IPVanish has a slightly different reputation when it comes to privacy. It's had some past controversies, but they've worked hard to improve transparency and bolster their privacy standards, making them a reliable option today. Still, PureVPN may be a slightly safer bet if privacy is your main concern. The fourth thing is speed performance. Both services deliver decent speeds, but if you're someone who streams or games a lot, you might find that PureVPN has the edge with its specialized servers for these activities. IPVanish is no slouch, but it's designed more for versatility across different device types rather than optimizing for streaming or gaming speeds. Now, let's talk about cost. PureVPN offers more flexible pricing, especially for long-term plans, but IPVanish tends to have more affordable options for shorter durations. So, if you're looking for a budget-friendly, multi-device solution, IPVanish can be a great choice. However, if you want the best bang for your buck over the long term, PureVPN offers more value, especially considering its streaming-focused features. Next thing, user experience. PureVPN has an easy-to-use interface, great for beginners and experts alike. However, some users report occasional connection drops, which can be frustrating when streaming. IPVanish has a similarly simple interface, but its setup can sometimes be more challenging for beginners due to advanced features. Still, once you get the hang of it, IPVanish's performance across devices is fantastic. Finally, customer support. Both services have 24/7 support, but based on personal experience, PureVPN's live chat service has been a bit more responsive and helpful. IPVanish's customer support is good, but it can take a bit longer to get resolutions. So, after testing both PureVPN and IPVanish, here's my conclusion. They're both great, but for streaming enthusiasts, PureVPN stands out because of its optimized servers and better overall streaming experience. On the other hand, if you're in a multi-device household, IPVanish is hard to beat. It's built for households with many devices connected at once. But if you're looking for the best of both worlds, superb streaming and robust multi-device support, with no compromises, then I recommend checking out the first link in the description for a free trial of a different VPN that's exceeded my expectations. Through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. You won't regret trying it. All the VPNs mentioned in this video have their strengths, but after trying them all, I found this one to be the real winner for anyone who wants the best of streaming and multi-device performance. Don't miss out. Take advantage of the free trial now.